39 million Americans live in poverty, and millions more struggle to get by. That's shameful in the richest country in the world. What do we need to do about it? Well, we need to make sure that everybody has health care. Sure, some people have access to Medicaid, but there's a lot of folks who are pretty darn poor who have no health care at all. That's one of the reasons we need a rational national health care policy. We also need to invest more in affordable housing. The federal government should itself build more affordable housing and should provide incentives to states and localities to have rules that ensure that in new developments there's some provision for building affordable housing as well as fancy condos. We also need to change our food policies. Right now, there's an epidemic of obesity, and a lot of it's among low-income folks because the Farm Bill subsidizes things like corn and wheat that we eat too much of and doesn't subsidize the things we want people to eat, fruits and vegetables. We should shift those subsidies to encourage people, especially low-income people, make it easier for them to eat a healthy diet. We also need to make a significant investment in mass transit. For poor people, even if they can afford a car and gas eats up a ton of their income, and that's unfair. If we invested in mass transit so that there's subways, there are buses for people to ride, that's both good for the environment and it helps us have a fairer economy. It helps lift the poor out of poverty. Child care. There's people spending 20% of their income on child care. It seems like it hardly makes a difference if they get a job, they spend it all on child care. In other countries, in civilized countries, that doesn't happen because child care is subsidized. We need to make a national investment in high quality child care. It's going to cost some money, but it's worth it.